then folks, so we're back with the normal camcorder, which hopefully, oh, I managed to undrop. So let's see whether we need to put this on, not the test equipment like it is at the moment, but the aerial. So like the other Maxcom 30E, it's a bit distorted because it's got crystal filters and all these people are over deviating. So hopefully it'll be spot on when we talk to Mr Chippie. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, diddly dodger, we're off.
Yep, roger that.
Right, I'll plug in the extension speaker like we are doing till we get to the top of the hill.
Alright, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station. I expect they're closed.
That's Big 10-4.
One of the viewers said to me, he put a comment, are they ever open? I said we do these tests at 7:30 and in winter that's they've gone home by then.
Pretty sure they go home in summer at that time, don't they?
Well, we'll find out, won't we?
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. Just want you to talk to me while I demonstrate the tone control.
Yeah, roger that. So we're now climbing up the hill
Bassy.
towards the top. We're now passing
Trebly.
the quarry on the right.
Roger, thank you very much.
Roger.
So it's about the same. I think the other one's a little bit bassier. I might check some of those capacitor values before sending it in back in case something's gone wrong in his capacitor change. But it is bassier than most sets.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
And at this point we'll go back to internal speaker.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. Now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on a 1990 Maxcom 30E and it's my own set and it's doing a full 4 watts.
Yep, roger that, or is it?
Well, that worked absolutely fine. And I've asked him to stop at the 5 mile point and we'll see if we can do another low power test.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger.
So he's now at Wilsford Level Crossing. He started over Sudbrook Way, so end of the lane, petrol, Lancaster Crossroads, top of the hill, Scratchy Corner. So he's dropped down the hill. He's at the level crossing. Then we get to the Greylees Turn, and we're going to get him to stop at the Greylees Turn, and I'll get him to record the low power test again, like he did yesterday.
Right, we're now passing the Greylees Turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Greylees Turn.
Roger. Right, we're now at the Greylees Turn and turning left for Rolford. Over.
Right, you're going to pull up and let me know when you're there and we'll play low power again.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, now
Roger. Bit bassier on this set, and I'm now on 4 watts. You're 5 miles away, and here goes. I'll do a countdown, then I'll flick it to low power. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now on 0.4 of a watt. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to the full 4 watts. Over.
Yep, Roger, exactly the same as yesterday really, probably a bit better on low power. Like I say, floor noise today's better. Now, could do with better camera move. There's nothing I can do about the autofocus, it keeps going in and out, so that's it.
Yeah, we'll set up another camera with you, but this will do, and off we go.
Yep, Roger that.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, now in position near Rosby.
Roger, bit bassier on this set, and I'm now on 4 watts. You're 5 miles away, and here goes. I'll do a countdown and I'll flick it to low power. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now on 0.4 of a watt. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to the full 4 watts. Over.
Yep, Roger, exactly the same as yesterday really, probably a bit better on low power. Like I say, floor noise today is better. Now, could do with better camera than this. There's nothing I can do about the autofocus, it keeps going in and out, so that's a bit tough.
Yeah, we'll set up a...
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, now at Rosby level crossing, square wheels.
Okay, let me know when you're going, and we'll see whether the petrol station's open there.
It is, I can make it out from here, and it's exactly the same as yesterday.
I think you need to remind us what those prices are.
Yep, 152.7, 171.9.
Okay, Roger on that. Anyway, we'll stay with you till you get moving.
Tango 21 from Chippie, we're now going over Rosby level crossing. Over.
Roger Dodger. Right, well that concludes the test. Thank you very much.
Yep, Roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Right, we'll go over to our base station, and then we'll spend some time editing all these bits together.
Tango 21, testing my Maxcom 30E with a standard replacement microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is on 4 watts. I'm going to go over to low power myself. And this is now on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As ever, thanks for watching.